Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video, please consider subscribe. As you subscribe, press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And as of those of you, my old subscriber, God bless you. Thank you all, guys. So today's topic, we still there on love matter. Because last week I talked about love, some story about love, but we still there now. As I talked last week, I said love now unconditional. They know they give condition for love. So my people, any woman wey give una condition man, make una drop am. Any man wey give una condition woman, make una drop am, because love no get condition. Man no go say you no born for me, you no go love you, na lie. Mind you, make am trick you in any form. You just want say, you want just ask anything from you. They no dey pay for love. They know they ask like price, say, babe, give this thing for me before I go love you. No. Mind you, love na love. If pikin come, man wey no love you, no love you. If man they love you, why after 3 children, man go send the woman come out? Why after 3 children, man go marry another person if love dey? So pikin no dey make man they love. Man fit love you on your own, natural. You born, you no born, that love don't they exist. So when we don't try, when men go they tell us, say, babe, if you get pikin for me, now I go love you. Who tell you? Love what you go get for your pikin, no they get for mama. Why be say marriage they quanta? Why? Why marriage they get problem? If now so, what we understand say na truth? Why marriage they always can't get problem? For my own no. For my own no, man no dey love, but na wetin woman dey present na im dey look like say, okay, woman now go wash, you go know how to clean, you go know how to take care of the kids, you go know how to take care of home, you go know how to do everything economic and everything, and you go know how to take care of the man as well. Because some men now, they know they like to do anything, and you go come see woman wey be say anyhow wey they do, you know they complain. All those kind of woman, may they like them. You know me say you love the person. You just deal with the person because the person is doing whatever you want. Like say, woman wey be say, if man they do bad, you go just they look, I know they talk. May they always like women where they keep silent. But that is not all. You don't understand. In relationship, we don't keep silent. We bring our hearts, our boundary. If you they hurt me, I go tell you say you they hurt me. If you know they hurt me, I go still make you know say you know they hurt me. Because people they consume many things. They know they talk, but they chop the inside body. Man they consume, woman they consume, but it's not the best. When you love somebody, you don't have keep secrets. Any man where they keep secret, love none day. Any woman where they keep secret, love none day. Because love, if you love somebody, it will make you they do like say you want your brain you want command. You don't understand. It will make you they do like say you don't know what you they do. Before you do anything, you go one explain to and say, babe, see what they happen, see what's up, see what this, all those kind of stuff. You don't understand. If man love you, my people, you know they keep secrets. If woman love you, my guys, you know they keep secrets. Any relationship with secret day, you will not say there is never a love exists inside. You know understand? More will try, more will they get, because relationship will not go work. The signal they day. If woman don't want to deal with you, don't they give you signal. If man no want deal with you, go don't they give you signal. Signal go there. Say, this man not just saying go deal with me. This woman not go just say go deal with me. Sometimes the word where they go they throw away for months, it still mean some things where we say you go hold, you go consider. But not be us. Some people sabi joke. Oh. I just put and say those men wey no dey joke. Anything wey they talk is for real, guys. Even women wey no dey joke. Anything wey they talk is for real. Let's try and stop this single mother, single father. I don't think say nobody get joy. Like children they grow, come with their papa apart, their mama apart. I don't think say no child will grow to come like such condition. More will try. This our new generation will make and work so that our children can take our step. Let our children not say that they still love. Make our children, because what would they grow they come? Our papa and our mama, they not tell us that they still love. So I know they blame what thing they happen today. But now we don't do global world and we don't do social world where we say we supposed to teach our children say love they exist. In case if they want start, they will not say love they exist because for we they don't teach us. So we they try to learn. So we know they blame difficulty where they do for home now. Marriage they break, relationship they break. They know they they work. Don't be our fault because they don't teach us. They don't teach us. Don't be our fault because now we supposed to go teach our children. We go teach our children by changing things, by making our children know say you go give your wife a kiss. You know those kind of things. They will not say if I grow say I get my own I will still do like this. So, all this kind of stuff. No, sit down for parlor. They see relationship or marriage when they know they get out, they sit down, they watch television. Love no day. We have many ways to know say somebody you don't want you. Woman wey don't want you, don't want you. Man wey don't want you, don't want you. If man wants you, before you do finish, babe, hurry up. Let's come and watch this. All those kind of things. Then they get movie when they do every week, every pie this thing in a day. You go just there, okay, there is something, all those kind of things. You don't understand. We just walk. By the time reach to watch television, all you want day there, man day room, woman day kitchen, all those kind of things. All those things now signal where they give. You will give all those signal, they give all those signal, they give all those signal, they give all those signals so that you go know say things like that they exist. So we will try so that we will correct our children for this generation who they so. We say they will take from us. We don't take from our parents so that they will take from us. So guys, you know to say it's easy. When you love somebody, you love it with your heart, without no condition. Anything when you do is okay by you. Even men gonna mess up for the woman is okay. Woman gonna mess up for the man is okay. It's okay, perfect. You don't understand. Without no stress, without nothing. We just they walk back. Now when love not there, now they see discrimination. My girl do this thing, you will call a nag. Now when love not there, now woman they say my husband, my boyfriend do this thing, you will call a nag. Your nag will come full everywhere. My dear people, my lovely people, more will open our eyes. When signal they come meet us like this, we're supposed to know say this thing is a sign. This person don't wants me. This person don't wants me. So now so people, the one way me I understand with that. So more will try so that we can stop single mother rate, single father rate. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful night. Bye bye.